Hey, welcome back to Darkwater. Today I'm going to be taking a look at a couple of Kershaws that I think are complete oddballs. But as I open them up, you can check them out and you decide for yourself. I haven't been the biggest fan of Kershaw over the years, and I hope that these absolutely change my mind. Let's check them out. All right, first things first. So we have an Iridium carbon fiber M390 model 2038 CFM 390. Well, man, I just love carbon fiber. Right off the bat, this reminds me of like a Ferrari or something with the racing red on there and carbon fiber. Yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. I was able to handle an Iridium one time and I really liked it. I just didn't like the fact that it was D2 steel. And not that I have anything against D2 steel, but it was just uncoated. You know, they could just offer these in 14C28 and it would be awesome. But then lo and behold, I saw this the other day, and this is not an inexpensive or budget EDC by any means. On Kershaw's website, this is $300. And I just think that's absolutely crazy because this is not, I believe, no, this is not even a USA made Kershaw. This is made in China. So great materials, just not made in America. And for $300, I think Kershaw's pulling one over on somebody with this. But that's not to take away from this knife, because this is absolutely stunning. And there is no weight to this beast. This flips easily with minimal effort. And yeah, this is awesome. Regardless of where it's made, but Kershaw prides themselves on having American-made stuff, and not seeing that assaulting forward American flag on that other side is kind of disappointing. But yeah, this is sweet. Let's check out the other box and see what we have in there. Let's put this way. All right, this next one is the Bel Air model number 6105 RDBW. Oh, look. Made in the USA. Not made in the USA. This should have the flag on it. Oh, hotness. Man, I think old Enzo Ferrari would love this. Both of these, actually. Oh, forgot the special salt. Nice little protective coating on the aluminum here of oil. And I've been wanting one of these Bel Airs because of the materials that are used in them. But I had never seen this red one, and within a few days I was able to pick both of these up, and that's absolutely beautiful. I like the fact that all the hardware matches in contrast against that red anodized aluminum handle. And there we go. I'm going to zoom in on here just so Kershaw can hear this. See that flag? That means a lot to a lot of people that watch these channels. So, do better. Do more here. Yeah, that's awesome. Oh man, that flips fantastic. You know, these knives are so similar, but yet they're so different. Even with this one being super lightweight, I mean, this one is even snappier. And I can see why the Bel Air is such a popular model. It is super thin. Got a little bit of oil on here still. Let me clean that off. Kershaw does really good with their black wash on here. It is super attractive. Yeah, that's a very attractive blade design, very lightweight, very good in hand. Excellent sharpening choil. Should give you a lifetime of service out of this. But I haven't even talked about what this is made out of. The steel on here is MagnaCut. And yeah, I mean, clutch lock or whatever they call theirs, a crossbar lock. And MagnaCut, that's a very hard combination to beat. I think the only thing that would take this knife up a notch is either having carbon fiber scales or titanium. But other than that, this thing is an absolute hot rod. Yeah, that is two really, really killer Kershaws. And I guess I'll be carrying Kershaw for a while, so what are your guys' thoughts on these two knives? Would you pick the Bel Air in its beautiful colors? It also is offered in a black, and I believe it's more like a dark earth or tan with a black blade as well. This one is not tacky like the tan model. I did hold the tan model one time, and I noticed that the surface finish on that tan was very grippy. This one is not. This one is very smooth. Or would you choose the carbon fiber M390 Iridium? I would say these are both very, very high-end Kershaws and very worthy of your hard-earned money. Good job on these, Kershaw. Make this one in the United States. That's my shameless plug for our country. Yeah, comment down below, out of these two, what would you choose? If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thank you very much for checking out these two Kershaws with me, and I hope you have a wonderful day.